clay monster. Materials: air dry clay, toothpick, pencil, water, plastic container. Optional materials: salt dough, acrylic paint, paintbrush, cutting board, plastic wrap. To make a clay monster, find a hard surface to work on like a clean cutting board. Take a tennis ball size of air dry clay and roll it into a ball. If you don't have air dry clay, you can also use salt dough. Push your thumb into the center of the ball. Press gently all the way to the bottom, but not through the bottom. Pinch and turn the clay to widen the pot. Continue pinching and turning the clay until the pot has the same uniform thickness all over. Pinch the rim of the bowl together on each side to create the mouth of the monster. Make sure the bottom of the mouth is rounded and the top is flat. Place it sideways on the hard surface. With a small piece of clay, shape it into the monster's tongue. Make sure it is long enough to extend beyond the body of the mouth and that there is enough clay at the back of the tongue to attach to the mouth. Attach the tongue to the inside of the mouth by making small lines with a toothpick or pencil where the pieces will join and adding a small drop of water. With your fingers, smooth over the outside of where they join. With another piece of clay, shape it into two front teeth. Attach the teeth to the inside of the mouth by once again making small lines with the toothpick where they join and adding a drop of water. Smooth over the outside of where they join. Make a small indent on either side of the mouth. Roll two small balls to fit in the indents. Place the balls inside the indents by making lines with a toothpick where they will join and adding a small drop of water. These are two of the monster's eyes. For the pupils, roll two even tinier balls and place them in the middle of each eye with the same joining technique as before. For the remaining two eyes, roll two small coils. Shape the ends of each coil into a flat circle. Make lines with a toothpick on the ends of the coils and where they will stand on the monster's head. Add a drop of water. Place the coils on the monster's head and smooth the outside of where they join. Roll two small balls for the eyes and join the eyes to the top of the coils by making lines with a toothpick where they join and adding a drop of water. Roll two tiny balls for each pupil and place them in the middle of each remaining eye. Smooth over any place that needs it. Let the clay dry for 48 to 72 hours. Once your monster is fully dry, you can decorate or paint it if you want. Place plastic wrap under your monster to keep the surface from getting paint on it. Let the paint fully dry. Now you have a clay monster. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media. #Appleton Museum at Home.